I'm not an artist, bear with me here. So you have a Y-shaped passage here. Obviously this is not to scale, but hey, what do you want? So here's what's going on. So if you screw, so this piece here, this is like the hole in the side of the drinking straw. If you crank this in all the way, it closes off this passage here. So when your engine runs, you only get fuel up through here. Just tons of fuel because this is drawn a vacuum. All right. So this is too much fuel though with this thing closed off. Your engine's just going to run way too rich. So to set your mix, what you're doing is you're going to back this thing out. And as you back this screw out, this needle right here is pulling out. And it's opening this up part way. That's about halfway right there. Like I said, bear with my poor art skills here. That's about halfway right there. So the further you back this out, now instead of just sucking fuel, you have a little bit of air that comes along here like, hey guys, how you doing? And the air kind of gets sucked up through there and it mixes with the gasoline. So if you've ever had a drinking straw with a hole in the side of it, this is essentially the hole in the side of the drinking straw. So the further you back this out, the further that hole gets, or the larger that hole gets, the larger that hole gets. Then the larger this hole is, that means there's less fuel being sucked up through here and more air is going through here. So the further you back this screw out, your engine is actually running leaner because it's getting less fuel. It's counterintuitive. The further you crank this screw in, it closes that off right there. And now we're getting more gas. So, lefty-leany, righty-richy. That's the best way I can come up to explain it. So you turn that screw to the left, you back it out, you're getting less gas in the engine, you crank that screw in, it closes off this air passage, or the bleed as they call it, and you get more fuel in there. So just remember, it's counterintuitive. It's not like your garden hose, it's the opposite. This passage is always open. This is your metering passage here. So I bring up that whole point because this circuit must be clean. When you clean your carburetor, you need to take this intermediate jet out of here and you need to shoot carb cleaner in through here. Probably need to soak it first. Shoot carb cleaner in through here. Shoot carb cleaner in through here. Shoot it in through here if you can. It's kind of hard to. Shoot compressed air through there. Feed a little wire in. You really can only, it's hard to feed it in from this side, but feed it in here. See if you can't get it to pop out that side. See if it pops out this side. But shoot the carb cleaner or the compressed air in from every single possible direction. Because if you have one little piece of crud going, it will come up later on while your bike is idling. No matter what, no matter how clean you get the rest of that carburetor, it will not idle unless that passage is clogged. So this little sketch here I did that's supposed to represent the intermediate jet, if you imagine that as a piece of crud, no matter what, until you get that piece of crud out of there, it's not going to do anything. Now, a lot of people talk about like adding Seafoam or Chevron Techron or whatever brand you want to use a carb cleaner. In theory, that stuff will break down the clog. However, if this thing is clogged solid, no carb cleaner will get here, just like the Drano. So if this is clogged solid or it's completely clogged up, it doesn't matter how much vacuum you draw here or how much Seafoam you put in down here, it's not going to get there because that clog is there. If by some miraculous chance you had a partial clog, the Seafoam would get it out of there. However, that passage is somewhere around like 20 thousandths of an inch or something. I don't know. It's really, really tiny. So odds are it's usually either open or it's closed. Very rarely partially clogged. But it does happen. So they're motorcycles. If weird things can happen, it will. But that's it. So, point being,